Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, after a couple of days in Wayanad, Kerala, I'm off to spend a couple of days in Ooty, Tamil Nadu. For this trip, I looking forward to spending some time in some nature-friendly tourist spots of Ooty, and which is what I'm interested in. Thank you for joining me. So in Ooty, I'm staying at the Smyrna Homestay, which is my first Airbnb experience. The property is situated in 6 acres of land and it houses a colonial-style bungalow, which is around 200 years old. The homestay is run by Fellowship Trust, which uses proceeds from the homestay to fund activities for the upliftment of the poor in the Nilgiri region. The homestay doesn't have a functional kitchen, but Swiggy and Zomato do deliver in about 30 minutes or so. At about 8 p.m. Every day, a chap called David will come and fix up your fireplace, and he charges about 250 rupees for the firewood and also takes your order for the next day's breakfast. So first up for today is a visit to the Cairn Hill Reserve Forest, which is a 168 hectare forest in the center of Ooty and has been around since 1860. If it's nature you're looking for, this is your place to go, as not many people know about it. Taking a walk on the hanging bridge is a must-do thing to do at the Cairn Hill Reserve Forest. It is slightly rickety, so do tread with caution. So after my walk in the forest, I'm off to visit the Emerald Lake as well as the Avalanche Lake, which is about an hour's ride outside of Ooty, to some very scenic tea estates as well as some very dense forests. After a 3 kilometer ride through some dense forest, I arrived at the Avalanche Lake Tourist Center. The center has various facilities available, such as a restaurant, a canteen, and some restrooms as well. The view of Avalanche Lake from the tourist spot is fairly underwhelming. The lake looks like a small pond, and the presence of electric transmission towers at the tourist spot doesn't help at all. Well, it is what it is. Thank you for watching till the end and sharing my experiences of Ooty with you. Goodbye.